Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today, I'll show you how to get some use out of your old video game collector's edition statues. I call this shot Noble Team. I'll also show you my editing process in Photoshop. For this shot, I used the statue that came with the Halo Reach Legendary Edition for Xbox 360. Shooting a statue like this is great for when you want a quick, easy shot. When I shoot action figures, I can take hours getting the posing and scenery just right, but with this huge statue, I don't have to worry about any of that. All I have to do is plunk it in front of my background TV, then figure out the camera angle and the lighting. I went with a relatively wide shot and a tight aperture to capture both the scope and fine detail of the statue. For the lighting, I used my large, programmable softboxes to recreate the tone of the sunset and cloudy sky as closely as possible. Here's a better look at the color of my lights in action. In addition to the two large lights, I also used this small LED panel light to fill in the front of some of the characters. Time to shoot! Another time-saving feature of shooting a statue is that there tends to be less editing to do. This shot required only a few small adjustments. First, I rotated and cropped the image, and then I added adjustment layers for levels and color balance. Next was a vignette around the edges, followed by a bit of dodging. So once again, here's the starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.